No garnish, no drizzle, no foam. Just a plate, a fork, and the food that built the language of substance. Here are 8 idioms about meat and potatoes. Number 1, meat and potatoes. Strip away the extras, and what remains is what actually matters. The meat and potatoes is the essential core of anything. Number 2, beef it up. The essay is 3 sentences. The fence is 1 plank. Both need more muscle. Beefing something up means making it bigger and stronger. Number 3, where's the beef? The bun is enormous. The lettuce is decorative, and underneath it all, nothing. Where's the beef means where is the actual substance. Number 4, a ham. Give him 1 camera, and he performs a trilogy. A ham is an attention-loving overactor who cannot help themselves. Number 5, save someone's bacon. The deadline was doomed until a colleague appeared at midnight with coffee and answers. Saving someone's bacon means rescuing them from disaster. Number 6, gravy. The dinner was already paid for. Everything extra poured on top. That's gravy. Gravy means pure bonus profit beyond what you needed. Number 7, in a stew. Ingredients tumbling, heat rising, everything churning together. Being in a stew means worried, agitated, and thoroughly mixed up. Number 8, a hot potato. Straight from the oven, it burns every hand that holds it, so everyone throws it to someone else. A hot potato is an issue nobody wants to hold. And that is 8 idioms about meat and potatoes. Substance served, no foam. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.